Hello artists! Today we will be using markers to decorate the walls and roof of our bird feeder that we're going to create from the milk cartons we used at lunchtime. So, choose a marker, take off the cap, color, just like this, okay. And then when you want to use a different color, put it on and listen for the click. Then put it back. Get a different color. I'm coloring inside those little dash lines because that's where we're going to end up cutting it anyway. Get a different color, you have to listen for the click. And if your marker's dried out, make sure you let me know so I can replace it. Every time you go back to get another color, stop, put the cap on, listen for the click, put it back. Have fun!